What's up, YouTube? Are you sick and tired of hearing all these claims of secret ninja this and fresh new method that? Do you want a no BS way to finally make money online? If so, stay with me. It's coming right up in my review of Magnetize. Now, before we get Now, before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, this is really uncalled for. It's ridiculous. It's stupid. Stop complaining. Listen to my review. These fine people listen to my review. You can listen too. He never ever listens. Now, the way it works here is that if I like a product, I'm going to give it to my hands to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, if I also do a lot of videos about how to make some extra money on the side, as well as a lot of videos involving entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz Lemon, thank you. You're so unlike that Bart. She's such a sweetheart. Every day she says the same thing. It's so sweet to say. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we are on the sales page for Magnetize. It's a new course from Bill Hoogle and Simple Spencer. Now you can see the earnings over here, $71,000. Yes, this is real and it's very doable. And I'm going to tell you all about what this is. I want to go briefly through the sales page, just go over some of the claims here, see if they actually do work or they don't work, if they're true or they're not true. Before I do that, I do want to tell you about my bonuses. I have a doozy of a bonus for you on this one. What I'm giving away is over 10 gigabytes of assets. Basically, the idea behind this is to create something and sell it. And I'm going to go over in a minute which website that is. But before I get to that, the bottom line is that what you can do here with these assets is basically you can go and use them to sell a product on this particular website. I'm going to show you exactly how to customize them in about 5 minutes. You can sell them over and over again. These are ready to customize assets that you can use on this particular website. And the course is going to teach you how to actually sell it. So what is this course? So let's first of all take a quick look at the claims over here. So, you know, I get why they're doing this, why they don't want to reveal this. I will tell you the course is about Fiverr. Now, before you get turned off and say, oh God, another Fiverr course. So this is very different than what you usually see. Usually you see Fiverr, it's some sort of secret ninja hack, which, you know, this business, unique and very fresh method, no. Look, the bottom line is like this. It's not a unique and fresh method the way you usually think. It's not some secret ninja hack that's going to suddenly make you $1 million and you're not going to have to work ever again. You know, that's not something that just doesn't work. That it doesn't exist. What this is a course that's actually going to teach you how to actually profit on Fiverr the right way, to actually be able to find the right kind of gigs to sell and to actually make some money off of it and to do it the right way. And it's a really good course. We're going to go into the members area in a minute. The rest of this stuff, let's take a quick look. Yes, you can definitely make $120 a day. You can make more than that. It's very easy to do this. Yes, it's proven and fully tested. Unique and very fresh. Yeah, well, I get why they're saying that because that's what you say in this industry. But I personally want to take the exact opposite approach where I'm saying, you know what? Forget about secret ninja this and secret hack and underground this and underground that and all the blah, 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 blah.
Yada.
Yeah, kind of like the yada thing. Anyway, so all that kind of stuff, forget about it, okay? Bottom line, this is going to teach you how to make real money in a real and ethical way, okay? So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area over here. Let's click over here real quick. So there's the members area. It's not a long course. There are 5 videos. Bill is just going to introduce you, and then it's going to be this other guy who is actually going to run the course for you. He's going to teach you everything. You can see he has over 4,000 happy customers. He has definitely been able to monetize Fiverr very, very well, and he's going to teach you everything you need to know. If you prefer not to use the video course, then basically what he's got here is a thing where you can just click here. It's basically just going to be a PDF version of the same course. And it's a very good course. And what I really loved about this, what really makes this thing something that I can get my teeth into, is that it's not a secret ninja hack and secret this and secret that and everything else that you see in this industry. This is something that really works. It's actual stuff that actually works. And what I've done for you, as I said in my bonus, what I did for you is I actually went and I found something that sells really well on Fiverr, and I basically put together an entire package that you can use to sell these things on Fiverr. Basically, you're getting 10 gigabytes worth of mock-ups. These are things like, here, I can show you. Maybe they have here, they may not. I guess they don't have it here. But if you see, a lot of pages have what are called mock-ups. Actually, we can go over to Fiverr real quick, and I can show you on Fiverr. And you can see how often these things sell, by the way, which is really important. So let's go ahead and switch for mockups. And I want to show you right here, right now. You can see these, okay? Look at this. Packaging mockup, 152 orders, okay? Another mockup, 802 orders. All right, t-shirt mockup, 1,000 plus orders, okay? 176 orders. All these things, these are mock-ups. These are digital mock-ups. Now, I know what you're thinking. I think, oh my God, Eric, I can't figure out how to do that. So what I'm doing for you is I'm actually giving you ready-made mock-ups. You don't have to create these from scratch. You're going to have them. All you're going to do is basically say to your customer, give me your artwork. I'm going to paste it into my mock-up. And I'm going to give you a course on how to paste it into the mock-up. So basically, you don't have to do any of the work yourself. It'll take you like 5 to 10 minutes to do it, and you'll be able to make money right away here on Fiverr, especially when you use the course and you learn how to design your gigs and how to actually respond to customers, how to manage things on Fiverr, and how to really build things up on Fiverr. Okay, once you do this, this is going to be a super simple way for you to make money in a few minutes of your time every day, and $100 is going to be like child's play compared to what you can actually make here on Fiverr. Okay, you can see that a lot of these things have a lot of good numbers. 132 people here have purchased this, 142, all right, 1,000 people. This is very, very simple stuff. You can make real money doing this. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator. My first reaction was probably what your reaction is. What, another Fiverr course? Oh, we need another Fiverr course. You know, like, seriously.
I'll get your ass.
Wow, yeah, like a grandmother, like, you know, like that kind of a thing. You know, being scolded by a grandmother, but seriously. You know, and then I started to think about it, and I said to myself, you know, so many of the courses and software I review, they have Secret Ninja this and hack this and you know, underground methods and blah 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 blah. You know, like, seriously. You know, this was refreshing. It's not what you usually see in this industry. It's a course that actually teaches you a real method that is not something that you're going to have to worry about how to make it work. Because it's very simple, and it's something people have done over and over and over again. Not just the person who built the course, who maybe has some secret skills. You can see thousands upon thousands of people actually making real money doing this kind of stuff. And he's going to teach you how they do it. That's the cool thing, is that he's going to teach you how to do it. So yes, I'm going to give it to my hat to the product creators, because it's really a good course. The only thing that bothered me, really and truthfully, was the fact that they decided to say was a fresh new method. It's not a fresh new method, and that's the value of this. It's exactly the opposite of fresh new method. So go ahead and grab it. You absolutely are going to love it. Make sure you use my bonuses, because my bonuses are really going to push you to the next level.